Welcome back. Let's unbox this Nike Dunk Low. The Nike Dunk Low animal pulls together a smorgasbord of fabrications and prints previously seen on the basketball model, ranging from fox pony hair, leopard print and safari itself. This animal mix brings the heritage heat with a hodgepodge construction not too dissimilar from last year's Dunk Low. Scrap options, like many, are what the colorway before it. This upcoming Nike Dunk Low collages together a diverse range of prints and textures. But gone are the references to past releases. Instead, the pair sets itself apart with its animal-inspired themes. Lex almost extravagant hits of cheetah print are the first to jump forward, as they dress both the suede toe and counter. And while the swoosh may lack the same motifs, its solid orange color complements the pelt more so than the purple eye stays and pink heel tab. Subscribe for more.